This is just a brief training on how to add documents to your Wix site. You're going to go to wix.com and you're going to type in your email and password and get logged in. From there, it's going to take you to your main screen and you're going to click Manage Site on the left-hand side. This will take you to the Site Manager and you're going to click Edit Site. This will pop up a new tab in your browser, the Wix Website Editor. A couple of important things to know. This is the undo button, so if you make a mistake, that's your best friend, and then if you need to redo something, that's right next to it as well. So those are helpful tools. You'll also need to know where the Pages menu is. This allows you to navigate to different pages within your website. Click that, and then you're able to click Agendas and Minutes, because that is where we'll be working. Then you can close this menu. Now you see that there are boxes for each of the different months, so we are going to add an April agenda to the site. You're going to click one of the existing buttons and you're going to go over on the right hand side and find the duplicate button. Click that and it will copy the button for you, and then you can drag it over to where you need it to be in the April box. From there, you're going to change the link for this button. So you're going to click the little button that looks like two links, and then you're going to click Choose File. This will pop up and show you all of the documents you have already loaded into the Wix website. If you have not yet loaded the document, you're going to click this orange Upload Docs button, find the document where you have it saved on your computer, and go ahead and choose it. This is not actually an April 11th agenda, but I'm just using it as an example. So once it is uploaded, you'll click Done, and then just make sure that that document is the one that is checked, and then you're able to click Done and change the link. Now you're going to want to change the text of the button as well. So click Change Text, and you can easily just type in what you need the button to be named. Then you can just close that menu, and if you need to resize the button at all, you can do that. You can kind of make it smaller or larger depending on what you need. You can see that for March I had to make the button smaller because there were so many meetings. So it's easy to just drag it and resize it to whatever you need. And then you're going to want to make sure that your document did correctly upload. So you're going to want to preview the site to see what it looks like from somebody that is viewing the site's point of view. So you're just going to click Preview, and then you can test the button out and make sure that it pops up and that it's linked to the correct document. Again, I was not using the correct document, but you'll want to make sure it matches the agenda or minutes that you're wanting it to. Then you can close that out once you make sure it's correct, and you can go back to the editor. When you click this green button, it'll take you back to the editor, and you want to make sure you click Publish. If you don't publish, your site is not going to appear changed to the public. If you just save it, it's only going to save on your end behind the scenes. It's not going to save to people that are looking at your site. So you want to make sure you publish it, and it'll say congratulations, your site is published. And then you can view your site just to make sure. So it will take you to your site, and you can go to the Agendas and Minutes tab and make sure that everything is working correctly. And then you can just close those out. So once you're done, to get out of the Wix website editor, you can just close that out, and it's going to double check and make sure you really want to leave the page. So long as you're already published, you can just go ahead and click Leave Page. That's it. Super simple. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.